Imagine a kingdom deeply divided between a father's longing for forgiveness and a future king's uncompromising rage. King Charles is quietly sending signals that he desperately wants his youngest son, Prince Harry, back in the royal fold before it is too late. Facing serious health battles and the heavy burden of the crown, the king is driven by an urge to heal his broken family. But standing directly in his path, armed with an ironclad shield of bitterness, is Prince William. William has neither forgotten nor forgiven the explosive interviews and scathing memoir that shattered their trust. As Charles pushes for a quiet reconciliation, William is reportedly ready to draw the ultimate line in the sand. Is the House of Windsor heading toward a heartwarming family reunion, or an all-out royal civil war? Let's step inside the silent battle currently raging behind the majestic doors of Buckingham Palace. A King's Wish. King Charles is viewing his historic reign through a deeply personal and emotional lens these days. Facing his own well-documented health battles and the inevitable passage of time, Charles realizes that his years on the throne are precious and limited. He is no longer just the sovereign ruling a global nation, he is an aging father who yearns to see his broken family reunited and at peace. Insiders reveal that Charles feels a profound sense of urgency to repair his relationship with Harry, deeply missing the laughter and close bond they once shared before the dramatic split. Furthermore, the king carries the quiet heartache of being distant from his grandchildren, Archie and Lilibet, wanting them to know their royal heritage firsthand. However, navigating this emotional desire is an absolute geopolitical tightrope for a ruling monarch. Charles knows that inviting Harry and Meghan back without clear boundaries could spark severe backlash from a skeptical British public and media. Yet, despite the immense political risks and institutional pressure, his fatherly heart remains steadfast in searching for a path toward lasting forgiveness. He wants to wipe the slate clean, silence the damaging headlines, and leave behind a unified royal legacy for the history books. Charles is playing a high-stakes emotional gamble, placing his faith in love over institutional pride, but he must confront an immovable wall right inside his own palace. Deep betrayal. While King Charles searches for emotional healing, Prince William stands as an unyielding stone fortress, utterly refusing to budge. To William, Harry's explosive Netflix documentary, series of media interviews, and incendiary memoir Spare were not merely family arguments aired in public. They represented a calculated, unforgivable betrayal against the very institution and people who protected Harry for his entire life. William feels a deep, burning anger over how his brother publicly exposed intimate private conversations and threw both him and Princess Kate into the global media storm. For the Prince of Wales, preserving the dignity, honor, and privacy of his immediate family comes above any sentimental sibling bonds. He firmly believes that allowing Harry back into royal life without an explicit, sincere, and public apology would completely compromise the integrity of the crown. William has no interest in staged photo opportunities, superficial handshakes, or temporary truces designed merely to satisfy media curiosity. He has effectively erased his younger brother from his daily routine, treating the rift as an irreversible breach of trust. Insiders confirm that William views Harry's actions as a fundamental violation of loyalty, and he is determined to ensure that such destructive choices carry permanent consequences. The future king. Prince William is not just reacting emotionally, he is strategically planning for the crucial day when he will inherit the British throne. His overarching vision for the future of the monarchy is lean, highly disciplined, modernized, and strictly focused on selfless public service. In William's strategic calculations, Harry and Meghan represent continuous volatility, unpredictable public drama, and massive institutional risk. He is acutely aware that the British public's patience with royal soap operas is rapidly evaporating in the modern era. Therefore, William wants to surround his future reign with a completely loyal, hard-working, and dependable core group of working royals. He views Harry's past behavior as an ongoing threat to the long-term survival and stability of the monarchy he is destined to lead. By taking a hardline stance right now, William is asserting his authority early and defining the exact rules of his future reign. He is sending a crystal-clear message to every member of the royal ecosystem: absolute loyalty to the crown is non-negotiable, regardless of your bloodline or prince status. William is entirely prepared to endure public criticism and family tension today to ensure that the British monarchy remains strong, stable, and respected tomorrow. Silent allies. Behind these two powerful royal figures stand two remarkably influential women who are carefully navigating this intense family dynamic. Queen Camilla finds herself in a delicate balancing act, fully supporting her husband's emotional desire for peace while carrying her own scars. She desperately wants Charles to have emotional tranquility during his health struggles, yet she cannot easily forget the damaging descriptions Harry wrote about her in his book. On the opposite side, Catherine, Princess of Wales, was historically the primary mediator who constantly worked to bridge the widening gap between the two brothers. However, following her own severe health challenges and years of relentless public scrutiny, Kate's approach has fundamentally shifted. She now fully aligns with William's uncompromising stance, prioritizing the mental peace, safety, and stability of her three young children above all else. Kate has no desire to reopen doors to unpredictable drama that could destabilize her household during an already challenging period. Both Camilla and Kate act as powerful, quiet strategists behind closed doors, offering crucial counsel to the men leading the country. They understand the massive stakes involved, knowing that a single misstep in this delicate power struggle could permanently alter public perception of the royal family. Royal Civil War. The House of Windsor now stands at a historic and dangerous crossroads that will inevitably define the future of the British monarchy. If King Charles decides to use his supreme authority to overrule William and welcome Harry back, it could trigger an unprecedented internal power struggle between the reigning king and his heir. Such a public conflict would pit Charles's compassionate paternal instincts directly against William's uncompromising vision for institutional survival. Conversely, if Charles yields entirely to William's iron will, he may spend his remaining years carrying the profound sorrow of a permanently broken family. The British public remains fiercely divided on the issue, with traditionalists demanding Harry remain exiled, while others plead for a heartwarming royal reconciliation. Harry himself remains caught in a golden cage, isolated in California yet forever tied to the historic institution he left behind. As time ticks away, every decision made within Buckingham Palace carries monumental consequences for generations to come. Will King Charles manage to build a bridge of forgiveness before his reign concludes, or will Prince William's unyielding wrath permanently close the palace doors forever? This intense rift between Charles, William, and Harry is no longer just a private family drama. It is a high-stakes battle for the very soul, stability, and future of the British monarchy. Will King Charles succeed in bringing his youngest son back home, or will Prince William ensure that the royal gates remain locked forever? Only time will tell how this dramatic royal chapter will ultimately close. What do you think? Should King Charles follow his heart and forgive Harry, or is Prince William completely right to put the crown above family ties? For more fascinating history and royal secrets, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss any videos.